We got cousin Jake's motor over here. Started making a clinking noise out in the swell last year. So we're gonna start looking into it. First thing we gotta do is drain the oil. Let's see if there's any forbidden glitter in there. Pretty black. You know, I don't see any metal bits. I just see dirty oil. Knock, knock. Who's there? Number one rod bearing. Number two's tight though. What's left? Number one. Rod bearings. Yay.